Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Haiti. Tonight's dinner is beef liver and onions Haitian style. The morning mise en place. The mise en place for the épices. All the goodies in the food processor. Here it is after being processed. Here's the finished épices. Here's the just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Boiling some water. And we're going to do a quick blanch of the liver. Then we add the épices and let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. Now we're heating some oil in the sauté pan. We add the liver. And after sautéing, we add the onions and the tomato paste and some water. Here's the finished liver in the pan. The rice is done. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.